So this is the question paper of MSc Zoology entrance of HPU. And the first question is the heart of crocodile is. The correct answer is D option. The sixth question is who introduced the term muton, recon and cistron for gene? And the correct option is D option. Our next question is fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane is supported by visual evidence provided by, and the correct option is C option. The next question is the type of centrum found in mammals is, the correct option is Amphiceles. Our next question is the substance fertilization is produced by, and the correct option is A option. And the next question is the early blastomer are, and the correct option is B, totipotent. Next question is the during transcription in prokaryotes the promoter segment of DNA is recognized by, and the correct option is A, RNA polymerase. Our 12th question is lower molecular weight of RNA molecules that facilitate the splicing of interons are called, and the correct option is C, snRNA. Our next question is cellulase is present in insects, protozoans and fungi are capable of digesting cellulose because the enzyme is able to hydrolyze, and the correct option is A option. The 14th question is phenylalanine amino acid is poorly soluble in water because side chain or R group is, and the correct option is D. 15th question is the most abundant type of RNA found in a typical cell is, the correct option is C. 16th question is the part of eukaryotic chromosome that act as a mitotic clock is, and the correct option is D. Seventeenth question is manganese is a cofactor of, and the correct option is B. One of the fatty acid or phospholipid of plasma membrane is always unsaturated so as to provide it, and the correct option is B option, that is permeability to plasma membrane. Our 19th question is process of lipid peroxidation oxidize polyunsaturated fatty acid of biomembrane to, and the correct option is C option. 20th question is saturated fats do not react where our unsaturated fats are readily reduced and fixed by, and the correct option is D option, that is osmium tetraoxide. Next question is the Nobel Prize for discovery of RNA I was awarded to, and the correct option is D option. And the next question is a bar body is, and the correct option is B option. And the next question is when a mutation is limited to a substitution of a nucleotide pair for another, it is called, and the correct option is B option. The next question is restriction enzymes are synthesized by, and the correct option is A. Twenty-fifth question is in gene therapy DNA is inserted into a cell to compensate for, and the correct option is A. 26th question is oncogene is another name for, and the correct option is B. 27th question is hemocyanin occur in, and the correct option is C. 28th question is the genetic material of bacteria is transferred by a virus. This process is called, and the correct option is B. 29th question is bacteria do not survive in the pickle with high content of salt, and the correct option is D. 13th question is ninth cranial nerve is known as, and the correct option is D. 31st question is in mammal T cells mature in, and the correct option is D. 32 question is the study of the social, physiological and biological aspects of aging is called, and the correct option is B. 33 question is the part of brains which is concerned with the regulation of body temperature is, and the correct option is D. 34th question is which one of the following is known as graveyard of RBC, and the correct option is A. 35th question is which of the following protein remain undigested, and the correct option is C. 36th question is full form of ELISA, and the correct option is C. 37th question is phenylketonuria, an inborn error of metabolism, is caused due to the deficiency of, and the correct option is C. 38th question is which one of the following is not an essential amino acid, and the correct option is D. 39th question is the hormone which is an amino acid derivative is, and the correct option is C. 14th question is in a polysaccharide the monosaccharide unit remain linked by, and the correct option is C. 41st question is the genetic code GUU, GUC and GUA and GUG code for, and the correct option is A. 42 question is collagen stops cell division in, and the correct option is B. 43 question is in nucleotide cells the nuclear membrane is usually originated from, and the correct option is B. 44th question is fibroblast, macrophage and the mast cells are found in, and the correct option is A. 45th question is the epithelium present on the inner surface of a fallopian tube is, and the correct option is A. 46th question is Kupffer cells are found in, and the correct option is A. 47th question is an important enzyme used in a genetic engineering is, and the correct option is A. 48th question is Down syndrome is an example of, and the correct option is C. 49th question is a cross between a carrier female for hemophilia and normal male will produce, and the correct option is A. 15th question is an approach which classify organism according to phylogenetic relationship is called, and the correct option is C. 51 question is salivary gland are absent in, and the correct option is D. 52 question is which one of the following is known as fire of C, and the correct option is C. 53 question is the external covering of nerve is composed of, and the correct option is B. 54th question is the coelom derived from blastocele is A, and the correct option is A. 55th question is the virus which act as a pesticide is, and the correct option is B. 56th question is Aristotle lantern is the characteristics of echinoderm class, and the correct option is D. 51st question is what happen in the muscle during strenuous exercise, and the correct option is C. 15th question is how many ova and sperm will produce from 50 secondary oocyte and 50 secondary spermatocyte? And the correct option is A. 59th question is Glochidium is last stage in the life cycle of, and the correct option is A. 16th question is which of one of the following is a true fish, and the correct option is C. 61st question is an artificial pacemaker is implanted in a human due to dysfunction of, and the correct option is B. 62 question is addition disease is caused due to the hyposecretion of, and the correct option is C. 63 question is fibrous and glass like or purely white bluish appearance in characteristics of, and the correct option is C. 64th question is which of the following open into the duct of Bellini, and the correct option is B. 65th question is only enzyme of Krebs cycle found on inner mitochondrial membrane, and the correct option is B option. 66th question is the bacteriophage usually have their genetic material as, and the correct option is D option. 67th question is the sphincter of Oddi guards the opening of, and the correct option is C. 68th question is mitral valve guards the opening between, and the correct option is A. 69th question is a child is having a set of physical and mental disorder caused by the presence of an extra chromosome the child is suffering from, and the correct option is A. 17th question is the gland responsible for maintaining circadian rhythm is, and the correct option is C. 71st question is the vector of Leishmania donovani is, and the correct option is D. 72 question is match the column 1 and column 2, identify the correct option, and the correct option is B. 73 question is reaction of a ornithine cycle occur in, and the correct option is B. 74 question is match the column 1 and 2, and the correct option is B. 75th question is persistence of corpus luteum during pregnancy is due to, and the correct option is A. 76th question is the volume of air taken in and given out at each normal inspiration and expiration is known as, and the correct option is D. 77th question is tendon joints, and the correct option is B. 78th question is the sugar is present in the hemolymph of insect is, and the correct option is D. 79th question is the sugar present in the hemolymph of insect is, and the correct option is D. 79th question is the functional unit of muscular contraction is, and the correct option is C. 18th question is the simple non-metazone is, and the correct option is C. 81st question is kidney stones are found due to, and first option A is correct answer. 82 question is protein specificity is due to, and the correct option is C. 83 question is ink gland is present in, and the correct answer is B. 84th question is sigmoid notch is found in, and the correct option is C. 85th question is an ovariole in which no trophocytes are present is known as, and the correct option is A. 86th question is which one of the following antibody can cross the placenta, and the correct answer is D. 87th question is, during cryopreservation the temperature of liquid nitrogen is maintained at, and the correct option is C. 88th question is, hybridoma technique was developed by, and the correct option is C. 89th question is, chemoosmotic hypothesis to understand the actual mechanism of ATP synthesis in mitochondria was proposed by, and the correct option is D. 19th question is, in 80s ribosome of an eukaryotic organisms the subunit are, and the correct option is B option. 91st question is, a nitrogen base is linked to a pentose sugar through, and the correct answer is C. 92 question is, cells can arise only from pre-existing cells. This was proposed by, and the correct option is D option. 93 question is, rat flea is a carrier of, and the correct option is A. 94th question is, which of the following protozoans live in the intestine of termite and help in the cellulose, and the correct option is A. 95th question is, CNG stand for, and the correct answer is A option. 96th question is, an appropriate example of an ex situ conservation is, and the right answer is C. 97th question is, the normal altitude of GPS satellite is about, and the correct option is B. 98th question is, biosphere reserves were launched by, and the correct option is V. 99th question is, insecticidal property of DDT was discovered by, and the correct option is B option. And 100th question is, the generic name of silk moth reared on castor leaves is, and the correct option is A option.